Hello and welcome. My name's Simon. I'm from Premium Quality Air Rifle Accessories in the UK. Today's an unboxing and review of the Vector Optics SCGL-09 mini laser. It goes by the name of the Skyray. I've been testing this for about a month now. It's a fantastic bit of kit. It's really well built. It's designed to go on firearms, bullet firing pistols. Really popular apparently around the world by military services, police, etc. But I've been using it on air pistols. I got fed up of these little crappy red dots that don't hold the zero. In fact, they don't really do anything at all purposeful, apart from get you in a group of about 5 inches when you're wobbling around. So I binned that off. Ordered some of these from Vector Optics, which are now live on our website and on eBay, in the hope of finding something that does the job properly. They're 69 quid, so they're not a cheap thing, but they are the right thing if you take your shooting seriously. Okay, so I'm going to run through what's in the box, a little bit of a description. I'll let you have a bit of a closer look, and then you've got some informed information to kind of judge whether it suits your needs or not. Okay, so Vector Optics, they're becoming quite a well-known brand now in the UK. They're part of the Sun Vector group that make scopes for other names, and the Vector Optics is their own brand name. So inside you've got an instruction manual in English, nice and clear. To be fair, there's not a lot to know about these, just that they're well made. So you've got windage, elevation, turrets or adjustments, one button which is for on, off, and also you can use a strobe facility, and a battery compartment. That's it. These come with a 5-year warranty. They're waterproof, shockproof, suitable for firearms, really durable. I can imagine if you buy one of these, it's going to be a real sort of tool that's going to last you a number of years, and you'll probably swap it from pistol to pistol, and that's what it's designed to do. It's really well built. So in the box, you get the laser itself. As you can see, it's a metal finish. It's not plastic. It's built to last. Also in the box, you get a little hex key. The hex key is for fastening it onto a rail, fit a weaver or a Pitkini fitting. Hex key to screw it off. It'll just sit on and you tighten it back up, and then the on and off button at the side. Really nice positive clicks on the elevation and the windage. Hopefully you can hear them. And it won't lose zero. It's not one of these where you shoot it a couple of times and fit it to something with a bit of recoil and it just either stops working, as this one does when I use it. This will do the job. Battery wise, they take 2x LR44s, which we include in with the product. There is an alternative battery which is a bit more Americanized, which is one single cell, but the LR44s, when I did a bit of research, seem to last longer in this particular device. One of the top tips I have, there we go, I'm going to risk this now, taking this off, because then I'm going to make a fool of myself trying to put it back on. So when you're putting the battery in, it's worth saying this gun doesn't have any CO2 in and is unloaded. What I do is I put 2 batteries together and I just put a bit of insulation tape around. I read that that's it says it in the instructions actually, but I read that that's the best way to do it. It just means that in service you're reducing any risk of anything going wrong. I guess because this is designed for sort of military field use, it's got to be a very reliable product, and they've found that that's the best way to do it if you're using 2 LR44 batteries. Okay, so I'll just put that back in. Hopefully I'll get it first time. Moment of truth. See what happens. Yeah, so that's in, that's fine. Okay, so I'll continue with this and then we'll come back and have a look how that works. It's a really well built metal construction, 5-year warranty. It's going to last a long time. Okay, what's different about this? Why should you buy it over any other? Well, it is a heavy duty thing. It's a green laser. Green laser, everybody goes, oh crap. No, the opposite. Green lasers are more powerful. They're a stronger beam. They'll shoot out, or they'll point out to further distances. They're a more stable laser, which means the accuracy is there. There's no flickering on the internals, and more controllable. The downside of a green laser is they are a little bit battery thirsty, but you would expect that because they're more powerful. This laser is a 520 Newton meter wavelength and 3 megawatt, I think that will be, MW, and it's a great bit of kit. Okay, so mounted on the pistol, this is what it looks like. It's nice and neat. It's a matte finish, so it's not reflective. People do use these on hunting rifles for bagging bunnies at about 30 yards in the dark. Really good for that because it does light up the eyes, but equally works well on a pistol. Nice and neat. There's a waterproof button on the side. You push it once and you get a solid beam. If you push it twice you get a strobe. Now I don't know whether I dare give this a go, but let's see what happens. So that's on. Let's see what happens to the camera on that. And then the strobe goes like that. Okay, so it makes a really nice dot. At as little as about 4 meters, it puts a really fine dot on a target. I've been using it in my workshop, shooting paper targets with some success. I've put it on this pistol today, not because I've particularly been using it on this. I've actually been using it on what pistol have I been using it on? The Baikal. But I just thought it looked good on there, and I am going to give it a go with the BB. It's certainly be fine with a bit of recoil off it. That's it. That's the product done and dusted in a nice box, complete with the batteries. It's $69.99. No one else will have one. They're rare as rocking horse because they're a new product. They're a premium product. They're quite expensive, but you can expect to get a good life out of it. These you can buy for a £5. They're rubbish. They don't work. You'll be buying one a year for the next 20 years if you keep shooting. You're wasting your money. Buy once and buy it right. Our website's pqara.co.uk. We'd really love you to come and have a look, see what we offer. We pride ourselves in our customer service. If you've got any questions at all, you can give us a ring. Always happy to have a chat. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. And we look forward to having you as a customer at some point in the future.